So when we look at the health state of Chimborazo, it seemed like there's a relatively very resilient group of people. Even after suffering the suburban exodus in the 1950s, there have still been a lot of efforts made to improve the neighborhood and bounce back. Over the past several years, there have been improvements in the increase of access to public places and resources, places like the airport, the parks, the interstate, and restaurants. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done in Chimborazo. Increase access to affordable healthcare, increasing easy access to healthy and affordable foods. There aren't many grocery stores or supermarkets in Chimborazo for residents to get healthy, nutritious foods. So they're having to go out to other communities, neighboring communities, and that sometimes can be a challenge when transportation is an issue. There needs to be improvement in access to care for individuals with chronic conditions, behavioral health problems, increase community education programs, and transportation. And these are just some of the major barriers that affects the health state of this community.